We are here with Paloma's Pantry. Today we're making mussels, Dominican style. And what's the word for mussels in Dominican? Spanish, I should say. How do we say it?
I'm shy today.
Just put the garlic in, some butter and onions.
You need your husband to help
Here
you.
comes the wine now, the white wine. Hold that for me. Open this up. Okay.
Good job. Thank you.
Notice how we have a few mussels here in the sink that are when you get thrown out, they were open. They're the dead ones. You don't want to eat those. We didn't learn the hard way. Anyway, we have a cup of white wine. It's going to get added to this scrumptious meal. And pour it in. Now we're going to let that sit for about a minute or two to burn the alcohol off. Is that
You're
correct?
right.
Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
Palomita's Pantry.
Okay. Now wait for 1 minute.
Clams are sitting here now. They've already been cleaned off, believe it or not. They're Trenton clams. I mean mussels. Trenton mussels. Not clams.